What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will. We back at it, bro, with another fire video, man. Look, in today's video, bro, I'm gonna be showing y'all the 2021 Durango HELLCAT, bro. It's the first one in Hawaii, y'all. Shout out to my guy Corey Chun on Instagram, bro. He definitely hit me up and say, hey, bro, look, they got this thing down here. You need to go see it. You need to go, you know what I'm saying? And look, this is a monumental type car, all right? The first of its kind to ever hit the market, right? I think it's one of 2,000 made or something like that, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think they only got 2,000 in the world. So, and Hawaii got the first one in Hawaii, obviously. All right, so y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to it. Damn, CEEFAM. So what we have here, bro, is a 2021 Durango HELLCAT, man. This thing is insane, bro. The first one in Hawaii. As y'all can see, bro, this thing is already sold, bro. How much they wanted for it, man? Let's see. 86, the base price. 114 is what it's going for, man. So, yeah, this thing is beast. I really don't like what they did to the wheels. All right, these come with what, 295? Sheesh. On the front, 295s, bro. You see the big Brimbos? God damn. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, bro? Chilling. Yeah, I want to open this thing up, but I don't want to touch somebody else's car if it say sold already. So it looked like 295s all the way around, man, with these standard wheels. I don't know, like I said, I'm not a really big fan of the wheels, man, but you got the Brimbos looking crazy, bro. Coming to the rear. Damn, I like this little wing spoiler that they did right here. I like this little wing. Give it, I guess, a more sportier look rather than like a family car type look. Jeez, Durango, man. I don't know what this little bulging part is. It's like a towing mechanism when you take this off. I don't know. But the diffuser is straight. Look like the tips, man. Big boy tips, bro. Big boy tips, man. Sheesh. SRT HELLCAT, bro. It's the first one I've seen in Hawaii. Well, in my life, first one I've seen, y'all. So this is crazy, dog. Yeah, I'm just waiting for them to fix my damn SRT on my steering wheel, man. I seen this thing, I'm like, oh my God. Let me open this thing up. I don't care, bro, if it's sold or not, goddamn. Look at the interior, bro. Damn. You see that? Supercharged on the floor, man. The seating, it's like a suede type. This thing is beautiful, boy. SRT HELLCAT right here. 7 miles, man. 200 on the dash real fast, bro. Good God. Big old screen. It's not just your 8.4 Uconnect, y'all. This is like a big 10-inch. What's up, brother? Like a big 10-inch, man. Gosh. 2-row seating. Shit, 3-row seating, actually, bro. You got the HELLCAT on both the seats. 3-row seating, man. Damn, your cup holders and stuff down here. Gosh, the ultimate family car, but this thing will leave you in the dust, boy. I know this car can't be no all-wheel drive, so gotta be rear-wheel drive. I don't want to be too much in somebody's car because they bought it, probably cleaned it and everything already for them. 7 miles on it, man. It's already sold, bro. 7 miles and it's already sold, man. Jeez, I want to sit in this thing, but I don't want to touch it too much, man. Gosh, look at all this room, even with the seat back, y'all. Man, should I sit in it, y'all? Comment down below. Should I sit in it or should I not? Ain't nobody looking, so I'm gonna sit in it, man. I'm 6'2", Ooh, and I still got room, man. 6'2", still got room. The window sticker on this thing, man. 80,000. All the options came out to 86, man. They don't have too much options on here. Whoa, shout out to my guy Gordon Bruce, man. Looked like somebody built this car for them already. That's why it sold. So shout out to my guy Gordon Bruce, man. Don't want to put your info out there, my boy, but hey, that's a big feat, man. Congratulations to you, my boy. But yeah, this thing is, man, you got your air conditioner vents, you got your USB ports, your seating, hot, cold seating, whatever you want to do, or heated seating. Also got a little charging port right here. I'm surprised this thing ain't come with the big TV mooks, man. Big TVs in the back of the seats, bro, for all that money you paying. Our boy Gordon, man, need some TVs in this bit, man. But yeah, y'all, this thing is beautiful, man. Wish I could start that bit up. But yeah, man, octane red. This was the same color as my charger, bro. So that's why this, well, my old charger, the RT, this color is really special to me. It's probably one of the best colors. I'd say this one. I like the B5 blue, and I like that green, the sublime green. Those are the best three colors, at least to me. You know, they came out with that smoke show gray now, so that smoke show gray ain't nothing to play with too, boy. I don't know what this is. Look like, I don't know, boy. Dodge coming out with that craziness, boy. Damn. Yeah, y'all ain't really too much to really go over, man. I don't know. I'm not really a truck guy, but I'd be a truck guy for this bit. Definitely be a truck guy for this bit, man. Then look, you got the Rubicon Jeep, man. Looking nice. You heard me? You got the super stock thing, huh? Got the super stock in here. Should be what, 315s all around? Yep, 315s all around, bro. On drag slicks, bro. On the drags, bro. Let me see how much they want for this thing. Base price 94. Oh my god. 150 bands. I'd rather get a damn TRX for that price. I'm just saying. That's just me. All right, y'all. That's really solely just me. Damn, but this thing is mean though, y'all. Wide body, Redeye. Super stock, boy. If y'all never seen a super stock in person, hey, come down, bro. Come on down, bro. I don't like how Dodge give us this fake carbon fiber BS, bro. But ain't nothing like a brand new car, bro. Red seat belts, man. I'm all in the cars today, bro. Sorry, I spent a lot of money at this damn dealership, bro. So shit, ain't nobody gonna tell me nothing about this bit. You heard me? That's on game. I'm not in the game. But yeah, bro, this thing, sheesh, is retarded, boy. Just from the back. Good God. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm just waiting on them to fix my SRT steering wheel. I might go walk in some other dealerships too. I don't know. Yeah, so back to this thing. This thing is beautiful, man. Shout out to Dodge for even thinking about this, bro. Dodge is really stepping it up as far as their cars and their trucks and horsepower and everything else, man. Stepping it up, bro. Give y'all one last overall view. Wish I can start this thing up. Jesus Christ. The paint on this thing is just beautiful, man. Jesus Christ. Thing of beauty, man. Thing of beauty. Jesus Christ. Y'all, comment down below. Do y'all think this thing is worth however much I said? Think this bit was like 100 bands? What's up, boss? My boy right there. Let me see. Y'all think this bit is worth 115,000? Comment down below, man. Would y'all get this thing for 115 bands? Or would y'all not get this thing, man? Sheesh. I'd do it, man. I'd do it. It's the first of its kind, the first year. Who knows if Dodge is gonna keep making these kind of cars, bro? Who knows, right? So might as well get behind that thing. You know what? I'm gonna sit in the front seat too. My boy Gordon, he just gonna have to deal with it, man. I'm sorry, boss. I feel bad, but hey, I'm in this thing, man. Come on, man. Big boss type, man. How many of y'all can say y'all sat in one of these, bro? Y'all sat in one of these, man. I sat in one of these. Shout out to my guy Gordon, man. That's messed up, ain't it? But hey, it is what it is. Jeez, yes, sir. Steering wheel feel just like the regular Hellcat steering wheel. They should have gave it the little Alcantara suede type, to be honest. I don't know what this right here is, boy. Look like some kind of hauling thing or something, y'all. Look like, yeah, some kind of hauling mechanism. SRT. You got your launch right here. Dang, yeah, they definitely upgraded the interior on this thing, y'all. 100%. Jesus Christ. This is kind of angled like this way a little bit. I guess more to fit the actual driver, which is like an improvement, honestly, bro. Dodge is definitely improving. This right here, I don't know if this is like a charging mechanism, right? For your phone or shit. You can put your phone right here, actually. It's like a different kind of material to, I guess, grip your phone. So that's really good. What else we got? Some little key thing, whatever, 12-volt cigarette smoker type. You know, manuals and stuff, man. Yeah, that's what it feel like, brother. Sit in one of these things, man. Want to push that red button. They might kick me out this bit. But yeah, man, this car is sheesh, insane, bro. Congrats to the guy that bought it, man, because yeah, that's a big accomplishment, dog, for sure, man. This screen is just sheesh. I want to see that bit. I just want to see that thing come on, bro. That's it. Oh, okay, it ain't gonna come on, y'all, because I guess we don't have the key near or nothing, so they probably hid the key. That bit probably buried in the office over there or something. But yeah, man, this thing is crazy though, bro. I would get one for sure. I would definitely get one, man. 100%. But yeah, y'all, look, that was my review, man. I showed y'all the 2021 Dodge Durango Hellcat, man. Like, that's the first of its kind, bro. What other manufacturer is doing what Dodge is doing, bro? Nobody, bro. Nobody is on Dodge's level, man. That's why me personally, I had to come back to the Dodge community because I already know where it was good at. I know Dodge is gonna be on the rise and blah, 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 blah. So come on, man. Ain't nobody doing it like Dodge. But look, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, I just seen this. Somebody sent this to me on Instagram. Shout out to my boy Corey Chun, man. He sent this to me on IG. So I was like, bro, you know what? Since I'm coming over here already, I might as well just come in, see if it's still here, right? Because like y'all seen, it's already sold. I think it's getting shipped somewhere else to the Big Island, all right? So yeah, this thing is already sold and ready to go, and I'm just sitting in this bit like it's mine, ain't it? Come on, man. Y'all know how we get down, bro. I don't care. Yeah, I do. But yeah, man, look, I'm gonna wait for my steering wheel to get done. Might go walking around somewhere and look at some more cars, man. Y'all seen the super stock too. For those of y'all that never seen a super stock, y'all seen the super stock too. All right, y'all. So yeah, man, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, baby, all that good stuff, and I'll holla at y'all.